Hi there. Thank you for viewing my services. I am Brian Blasius, a mechatronic engineer with much passion and enthusiasm for engineering problem solving. I have a suitable experience with these tools. 1. KiCad. 2. Arduino. 3. Keel UVision. 4. SolidWorks. 5. MATLAB. 6. Altium Designer. 7. Platform I/O, since these are the concerned software in my field of study. I can comfortably do the following. 1. PCB board design and prototyping. 2. Arduino and ESP32 programming. 3. STM32 Cortex M3, M4, M7 programming. 4. Mechanical CAD design. 5. Control system design. Order link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching my video. I will design professional PCB layouts and electronic schematics using KiCad or Altium Designer for your electronics projects. Whether you need a simple circuit board or a complex multi-layer PCB, I can create clean, accurate, and production-ready designs tailored to your requirements. My services include schematic capture, PCB routing, component placement, Gerber file generation, and design optimization for reliable performance. I work on Arduino, ESP32, IoT, robotics, power supply, and embedded system projects. Every design is created with attention to detail, proper electrical standards, and easy manufacturing support. I focus on quality, fast communication, and timely delivery to help bring your electronic ideas into reality. Perfect for students, hobbyists, startups, and professional electronics projects needing dependable PCB design services. Order link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching my video.